My name's Marcia, and in the next few minutes I'm going to show you how I created a ring around my profile picture in the Clubhouse app. Okay, here you can see my screen, and this is what my profile picture looked like at the end before I imported it into the Clubhouse app. Where I'm doing this is on the Canva application. It's a free app, and you just go to www.canva.com. And I clicked on Instagram post template, which opened up a blank white square for me to start from. I then went to the search bar and I typed in a search query for circle photo. I wanted a circular placeholder for my photo since this is the shape that the pictures go into the Clubhouse app with. So I scrolled down and I saw this particular template, which I liked since it already had a photo included in the circle. Then I needed to delete the elements that I don't want to keep there. So you can just select the elements and you can hit the delete button on your keyboard. Alternatively, you can select the element and then you can hit the little trash can button that's up here in the top right-hand corner. Once that's done, you can select the photo in the circle and then you can resize it just by dragging the corners. After that, you can center the photo. You can see that pink line that's horizontal shows me that I am centered from up to down in this position. However, I'm not centered left to right just yet. So I'm going to make it a little bit bigger and see if I can't get that perfectly centered right there. So you see that I have kind of like the crosshairs showing that I'm centered left to right and up to down. Once that's complete, my next step is going to be to insert my photo into the template. So I'm going here to my uploads. You can see I clicked on the upload tab on the left hand side and I'm scrolling down through my different uploads looking for a headshot that I have stored in here somewhere. It should be coming up. I use it for all of my marketing and real estate related documents. So I just drag the photo and you can see it appears right there in the circle just like I want it to, and I really don't have to resize it or anything, but if you needed to resize it you could just double click on your photo and you could drag the corners to resize it within the circle itself. Now once that's done, what I'd like to do is change the background color. I don't like this particular kind of reddish color. I'd like to have my circle be a little more pink. So you can select the square up at the top and that'll open up this palette of colors and you can kind of go through and see which color you like and play around with those. Another thing you can do is open the gradient tool and you can select a color that's more subtle. You can make easier changes here rather than just a specific color. The other option is to go to the background tab here on the left, and you'll see there are a lot of different backgrounds you can choose from. So let's say I don't want to have a background that's just a solid color, but I instead want something that has dimension or texture to it. I don't know how much you'd see it in the little Clubhouse app ring, but I have seen some people with different shades of color in their ring, and this would give you an option for kind of doing that and looking up different backgrounds or maybe even an ombre from top to bottom. Again, here you can select your color choices or your background depending on whatever suits your needs. So you just kind of play around here and see what you like because there are a lot of different options, and you can type in different search criteria. Like I typed in blue and white, I typed in pink, and the different options come up. You can also, let's say, make it themed. Here are some hearts for Valentine's Day, or I think there are Easter themes. There are themes for all throughout the year, so you could easily change your ring depending on the season. Just make sure to save your template when you're done. Saving your project is easy. You just go to the download section on the right. I like to save mine as a JPEG, and it just saves it into my download folder. From there, since I need to get this over into the Clubhouse app, I basically will go to my email and I will email myself this photo so that then I can upload it on my phone to the Clubhouse app. So here I'm just preparing an email to myself, and I'm going to attach the photo as an attachment. Once I have that attached, I'm going to email it to myself, and I'm going to switch screens and show you how it looks when I open this up and save it on my iPhone. Now on my phone, I'll go to my Clubhouse app, open that, and then I'll go to my picture in the top right corner to open up my profile area. From here, I'll click on my photo and it'll open up the option to change my photo. Clicking on the photo again allows me to select my new icon from my library. So you can see it here. I'm adding it in. And now when the app crops the picture, it looks like I have a pink ring around my name. And you can see it here on my profile picture. I hope this helped. I'll also provide a downloadable template on my website in case you'd like to just jump over there and grab that. Be sure to follow me on Clubhouse. I'd love to connect with you, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you. Bye-bye.